Over.
Why?
Just start it over.
Why?
Cause I want to hear it.
I'm telling you.
Tell me it. I can't. Tell me.
Why do you have to put in a camera?
Because I want to capture this moment forever. Mom, please. I can't even see. So, I didn't hear it. I need to know. Tell me. Mom.
No, we have a patient too. She's very agitated. I mean, she's old.
Okay.
She's senile, demented.
Demented. Okay. Okay, come.
Less confused.
Okay.
And, you know, if she keeps yelling and yelling and yelling, you know, she doesn't listen. And
Okay.
once she talk Japanese, she's really upset and